Another day, another story. Cape Town, often referred to as the Mother City, is a vibrant and iconic metropolis located at the southwestern tip of South Africa. Nestled between the majestic Table Mountain and the stunning Atlantic Ocean, Cape Town is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes. With a blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty, the city attracts millions of visitors each year. Let's delve into 30 fascinating facts about this remarkable destination. Number 1. Table Mountain. Dominating the city skyline, Table Mountain is one of the new 7 wonders of nature, offering panoramic views of Cape Town. Number 2. Cape Point. Located at the southern tip of the Cape Peninsula, Cape Point is often misconceived as the meeting point of the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Number 3. Robben Island. This infamous island served as a political prison during apartheid, with Nelson Mandela spending 18 years of his incarceration here. Number 4. Erstenbosch Botanical Gardens. These gardens showcase a diverse range of indigenous South African flora against the backdrop of Table Mountain. Number 5. Boulders Beach. Home to a colony of African penguins, Boulders Beach allows visitors to get up close to these charming creatures. Number 6. City Bowl. The central business district of Cape Town is nestled in the natural amphitheatre formed by Table Mountain, Devil's Peak, and Lion's Head. Number 7. District 6. Once a vibrant multicultural community, District 6 was forcibly evacuated during apartheid, leaving a painful scar on the city's history. Number 8. Castle of Good Hope. Built by the Dutch East India Company in the 17th century, this is the oldest existing colonial building in South Africa. Number 9. Cape Malay Culture. The Bo-Kaap neighborhood is known for its colorful houses and rich Cape Malay cultural heritage. Number 10. Two Oceans Aquarium. Situated at the Victoria and Alfred waterfront, this aquarium showcases marine life from both the Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Number 11. Cape Winelands. The region surrounding Cape Town is renowned for its world-class vineyards and wine estates. Number 12. South African National Gallery. Located in the company's garden, this gallery houses an impressive collection of South African, and international art. Number 13. Signal Hill. This prominent hill offers stunning views of the city and is a popular spot for watching the sunset. Number 14. Rhodes Memorial. Built in honor of Cecil John Rhodes, the memorial is located on the slopes of Table Mountain. Number 15. City Hall. A striking Edwardian building in the city center, City Hall is known for its grand architecture and historical significance. Number 16. Lion's Head. A popular hiking spot, Lion's Head offers breathtaking views of the city, ocean, and surrounding mountains. Number 17. Rovo's Rail. This luxury train journey from Cape Town to Pretoria offers a nostalgic and opulent travel experience. Number 18. Victoria and Alfred Waterfront. A bustling hub of shops, restaurants, and entertainment, the V&A waterfront is a key tourist attraction. Number 19. Cape Town Stadium. Built for the 2010 FIFA World Cup, this stadium's design is inspired by the shape of a traditional African pot. Number 20. Dassies, rock hyrax. These small, furry mammals are often seen sunning themselves on rocks around Cape Town. Number 21. Groot Constantia. Established in 1685, Groot Constantia is the oldest wine estate in South Africa. Number 22. Muizenberg Beach. Known for its colorful beach huts and excellent surfing conditions, Muizenberg is a popular coastal destination. Number 23. Chapman's Peak Drive. A scenic coastal road that winds along the cliffs of the Cape Peninsula. Number 24. Isiko South African Museum. Located in the company's garden, this museum explores the natural and cultural history of South Africa. Number 25. Cape Dutch Architecture. The city is adorned with elegant Cape Dutch-style buildings, characterized by distinctive gables. Number 26. Shark Cage Diving. Adventure seekers can experience shark cage diving in the nearby waters, coming face to face with great white sharks. Number 27. South African National Circus. The Zip Zap Circus School in Cape Town nurtures talented performers, showcasing the vibrant circus arts scene. Number 28. Castle Lager Brewery. Take a tour of this iconic brewery to learn about the history of Castle Lager, a popular South African beer. Number 29, Bo-Kaap Museum. Housed in one of the area's oldest homes, this museum provides insights into the history of the Bo-Kaap community. Number 30, Cape Town International Airport. Named Africa's leading airport, it serves as a major gateway to the region, connecting the city to the world. Thanks for watching.